Hi everyone. Today I just wanted to address the fact that the content covering my Benelli is barely there on my channel. You may have the impression that I focused entirely on my Honda, and that is kind of true, as it usually happens with new toys. New toys are the most fun, and modifying Honda, I think that was the definition of fun, and I really enjoyed doing that. Hence I don't have the time for my Benelli, and I kind of feel that I abandoned a friend, and that friend deserves attention, and some of you highlighted that in messages. So today, I don't want to say I forced myself, but I made the effort and took out my TRK for a spin, and immediately I thought that it's a great opportunity to talk about some advantages that this bike has compared to Honda. I know it's not fair to compare them. I mean, let's assume that they are both adventure bikes slash dual sports, where both of them are at the end of the scale. They have some similarities. They have some advantages compared one to another, and today I will cover things that I truly appreciate with my Benelli. So first thing that to be exact, my ass appreciated is this seat. It's a great seat compared to this slice that I have in Honda. This seat is it's like a dream. My ass has plenty of space. I don't have to squeeze. It's not too soft, it's not too hard, it's very comfortable. The fact that this seat is divided into two and you have this edge in here, that is a great feature, because you can put your back against this if you want, and I don't know, I feel just comfortable when it holds me like that. So first of all, that the benefit of this, the pro of this bike would be the seat. Second is the fact that you're all built in this. Here is covered. I'm wearing just a blouse and a jeans, and I felt great. There was no wind, there was like comfort, the silence. You don't get any bugs on your face, because all of them end in here. So that's also very nice. My helmet definitely appreciates that compared to Honda, where you have zero wind protection. This is this is a luxury to have. So yes, another thing is the position on the bike, because the bike is fairly large. I'm also rather tall, and I still have the handlebar raised. The position when I sit is perfect. The position when I ride standing is perfect. I could not have asked for more. So that's another thing that I immediately appreciated. Well, the weight of the bike definitely is something that gives you a completely different feeling than the ones that I have on my Honda. Here, I would say that the weight, when you travel on when you ride on pavement, the weight gives you the sense of stability, that the bike is not that nimble, but it's very, very stable. So that's also something that you could appreciate. Another fact is, without any additional luggage space, you can put you can put a lot of stuff in here, because there is this huge space. It's huge. It's like as long as my forearm. And with a simple thing like these bungee cords or these bungees, you can really pack things in here. I don't know, you need a bag, you can put a backpack in here, you can strap it. There's plenty of things that you can strap it to. You can go hardcore, and you can even mount a simple, I don't know, plywood in here, and you have additional space to put things, and it's like zero cost, so you don't have to buy anything. You can just do it yourself. Just, I don't know, a plywood and a bag, and you can carry stuff. So another thing that I appreciate, since I do my little videos, I appreciate that I have plenty of points where I can install my mounts. So these RAM mounts, I can install them like anywhere on this rack. Here I can install it here, I can install it here. Like, there's a lot of places where you can install it, so you can get all kinds of views, all kinds of angles, to make your content interesting. With Honda, I don't have any place to install my camera. I had to drill holes in the plastic, and it's still not perfect. The other thing is that you have a lot of space to install things in the front. So huge pro for Benelli. And you have the windshield. You can also install things in here. So those would be the immediate things that I appreciate on Benelli. And in general, the comfort of the ride and the smoothness of the ride, something that I think I missed. So I took this little trip right now, and it was just pleasant. So yeah, it kind of made me want to go somewhere. So now that I got this additional push from you to take the Benelli out of the garage, I think I need to actually use the weather. It's almost end of the summer, so I think I realistically have like another month to schedule something. So I need to push myself. You can help me with that, and I need to go somewhere. My item on the list that I have never completed is to go somewhere camping, and that is something that I really want to do this season. And yeah, I just need to figure out how to do it. So that would be it about my Benelli. As you can see, all those balloons, apparently there are some championships that they fly those balloons, so there's that. Yeah, and another thing, I need to reinstall those rubber inserts. I have removed them fairly quickly after I got the bike. I don't even remember how it was to have them on, but now, since I do not need this I don't know, extra grip, I think I can reinstall those. Obviously I have the central stand bag, something that I find useful anywhere outside sand. I have these passenger foot pegs reinstalled for quite some time. I don't think I'm gonna go with that mud guard. I absolutely love how the tire presents itself the way it is now. Clearly I have a Yoshimura exhaust. Yeah, Yoshimura. Yeah, but still, I don't know, I kind of wanted to have that sticker. So there's that. And yeah, I mean, for those of you who still consider getting TRK, well, I'm still extremely happy with the choice that I've made last year. As I said multiple times, this is a great bike to all-purpose bike. You can do a lot with this bike. I believe it's still #1 bestseller in Italy. So what else do you need? I mean, I don't want to convince you, I don't want to push you, but I still think this is a great value for the money. And I've noticed that they raise they have for the second time they raised the price, at least here in Poland. So now it costs like close to 1,000 euros more for what I've paid last year, and I believe they are not gonna stop, because I think more and more people believe that this is truly a great bike. It's not only an Italian design, but it's a quality product. In the meantime, I completed the second technical check. It was fairly simple one. I believe they mostly exchange those filters, oil, some very basic stuff. So trust me, I will do my best to put more TRK content. I just need some time. The pressure, the amount of work that I have right now is just crazy, and it looks like for the next 2 weeks it's not gonna stop. So maybe the beginning of September will bring me some peace of mind, and maybe I will have more time to record more videos. I actually missed this bike more than I realized this. So this TRK has been a great friend, and I just need to work on that friendship. So that would be it for today. A quick one. I hope that I will be in a position to upload this video fairly soon. So yeah, so cheers.